In 1999, Silver Cross Hospital began recognizing the accomplishments of an outstanding individual for service to the healthcare profession with the Silver Cross Sehring Medal of Excellence.
The medal's name honors the memory of George H. Sehring, MD, a dedicated physician who served the community for more than 40 years.
The 2008 Silver Cross Sehring Medal of Excellence recipients are Dr. Al and Kay Ray. Married for 47 years, the couple has shared a lifetime commitment to volunteering and giving back to their community. Born in 1937 in Attila, Alabama, Al was the oldest of 6 children. His father was a Methodist preacher, and his mother was a bookkeeper and stenographer. Al continuously witnessed acts of kindness between neighbors, and it was just natural for him to want to give back to the community. In 1938, Kay was born in Renovo, Pennsylvania. She grew up in Galesburg, Illinois as the youngest of 4 daughters. Her father was a pressman, and her mother was a homemaker. Kay and her sisters were actively involved in their church youth group. Kay believes her passion is helping and sharing the resources she has with others. Time passed with Al and Kay's paths crossing as they met as students at a dance at Birmingham Southern College in 1957. Al graduated with a degree in biology, and Kay followed him 3 years later with a degree in English, focusing on secondary education. After graduation, Al attended the Medical College of Georgia. Shortly thereafter, the couple was married and moved to South Bend, Indiana. There, Al served his internship at St. Joseph Hospital, while Kay taught English in the public school district. Dr. Al completed his military service in the United States Air Force as Captain, General Medical Officer, and Chief of Outpatient Clinics at Moody Air Force Base. Following Al's military duty, the Rays settled in Joliet. Al completed his residency and joined Associated Anesthesiologists of Joliet, where he worked at both Silver Cross Hospital and Pravina St. Joseph Medical Center. Dr. Al and Kay cherished the moments when their 4 children were born: Joanne, Catherine, Christopher, and Jeffrey. The Rays have been blessed with 3 grandchildren: Chris, Isabella, and Lily. With a passion of stewardship, Dr. Al and Kay jointly volunteered with several community organizations throughout Will County. As members of Grace United Methodist Church, the couple held various leadership positions.
Everything we did seemed to be grounded in our faith. It just was who we were.
They also worked jointly raising funds to support the United Way of Will County and the Joliet Area Community Hospice.
Above and beyond, even in the busyness of the hospital world that my father was in, he always found time to help out in the community, to be a leader, to be involved in the community that you live in and work in.
I remember going to the family counseling agency with my mother. I remember seeing the respect. I remember seeing that people had for her. I remember seeing the gratitude.
In addition, the couple was involved with the Will Grundy Medical Society and the Escalapian Society in the 1960s and 70s, developing community projects focusing on drug education called Drug Coordination and Information Council. The council served as a treatment clinic, helping addicts at a time when hospitals didn't have substance abuse programs. Then, in 1970, the Rays' 3-year-old son Christopher died in a drowning accident. The couple focused on dealing with the loss by increasing their involvement in the community with the Drug Council and other social service agencies.
It's an inspiration to see the effect they have on people, to see the respect that people have for them.
Even at that early age, in grade school and junior high, really knowing the depth of the community that reached into and who it helped, and the fact that those people might not have had someone else to reach out to them.
Then, in 1985, Dr. Al and Kay were asked to join a community task force designated to develop a free medical clinic in the area. In 1988, the Will Grundy Medical Clinic opened its doors and has provided free medical and dental services to individuals who do not have the ability to pay for quality health care. Founding members of the clinic, 20 years later, Dr. Al continues to serve as a board member and a medical advisory committee chair.
They step up to the plate at any board meeting when there is more volunteering to be done, more money to be given, another cause to be supported. You can count on the Rays to be the first to raise their hands and ask how they can help or volunteer to help.
As former president, Kay is now vice president of volunteer services. Dr. Al and Kay Ray have served so many accomplished roles throughout their lives: spouse, parents, grandparents, healthcare advocates, inspiring volunteers, and community pioneers.
It's a great honor to receive the Sehring Medal. And as the years go on and we begin to see the type of people that are receiving this, such as Al and Kay, it continues to raise the level of expectations of other people in the community in terms of what we're expecting. These two people have given so much to the community. They have just added a great deal of dignity to that honor, and I'm sure they'll wear it very proudly.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for showing me what value generosity and sharing your time and treasure and talents has to do with your role in the community that you live in and work in.
Because of Dr. Al and Kay Ray's inspiring leadership, we proudly bestow upon them the 2008 Silver Cross Sehring Medal of Excellence.